Hey there, boomers. This is a brief tutorial on how you can bridge your assets from the Solana blockchain over to the Better Base chain using deBridge Finance website. Okay, so first off, we are on the deBridge website. I'm going to click on Bridge, and then in the first drop-down menu, I will be selecting the Solana blockchain, and in this case I will be bridging Solana asset. And then in the next drop down, the destination chain is Base, and I want to receive Ethereum on the Base chain. So what it will do is it will convert Solana into ETH and then send it to the Base chain, which is pretty incredible. So I'm selecting my Phantom wallet and the max amount of SOL that I have, which is about $25 worth. And then I am going to my EVM wallet and copying the destination address and pasting it in the receiver address box. Then I'll go ahead and click confirm trade. Enter my Phantom password. Click confirm. And as you can see, the transaction is processing. Now this will take between 10 and 15 seconds, which if you think about it is pretty remarkable that you can move all of your assets from Solana to the Base chain in under 15 seconds in basically one click. You can see there it's already finished. So what I'm going to do is check my Rabi wallet to make sure that the funds have arrived. And yep, they have. There's about $27 worth of Ethereum, which again took under 15 seconds. Now the next step is to go over to Uniswap so that we can buy some BOOMER. I'll select the Base chain in the drop down menu. And then I'll head over to Dex Screener to pick up the correct BOOMER contract address. This is very important so that you get the right one and not a scam one. And I'll head back to Uniswap, enter that contract address in the select token box. Select BOOMER from the drop down. Then I'll enter the amount of Ethereum I'd like to use to purchase BOOMER. Click swap, confirm, sign in my wallet, confirm again, and that's almost instant within 2 seconds, and there you have it.